So what is it that you want to know? I don't know that much. I'm trying to forget all about the whole thing. I wish it never happened. I didn't think I was gonna, go through something like this ever in my life.
It's a pocket watch if you're holding
I was at home at the time. I was doing the dishes. And all of a sudden, I looked out the window and I saw a light.
Introduce you.
It was not like any type of light I've seen before. It was different. It was bright, and it was like 1,000 lightning bolts going off at the same time. And then all of a sudden, I guess they saw me looking at them. If I weren't looking at them, I guess they wouldn't saw me looking at them, So I should have been doing something else, like watching TV, so that I wouldn't have had to go through the things that I went through. You don't know what I went through, but you don't believe I went through anything at all, do you? I don't know how many there were. I don't even know if they were male or female. At the time, I wasn't thinking about checking,